Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD Forecast Stage seems set for a further near-term appreciating move analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 0E5486831 2026 31:2 AM. GBP USD caught some aggressive bids on Friday and surged past the 1.3300 mark. The FED's dovish signals continued weighing on the USD and remained supportive. The risk-on mood further undermined the greenback's relative safe haven status. The GBP-USD pair gained some strong positive traction on Friday and surged past the 1.1300 mark for the first time since December 16, 2019. The US dollar remained under some heavy selling pressure on the back of the Fed Chair Jerome Powell's dovish signals on Thursday, which, in turn, was seen as a key factor driving the pair higher. Powell outlined a new strategy at the virtual Jackson Hole Symposium and said that the Fed is willing to allow inflation to run hotter than normal in order to support the labor market and broader economy. The USD bulls failed to gain any respite from Friday's release of better-than-expected personal income and spending data, which increased by 0.4% and 1.9% in July, respectively. Separately, the headline PCE price index climbed to 1.0% YoY from 0.8% but fell short of expectation, pointing to the reading of 1.2%. Meanwhile, the core PCE price index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, accelerated to 1.3% YoY as compared to 1.1% previous and 1.2% anticipated. On the other hand, the British pound seemed rather unaffected by concerns about the lack of progress in Brexit talks and even shrugged off the Bow Governor Andrew Bailey's dovish comments. Bailey said the UK central bank has more ammunition to support the economy from its coronavirus shock and also supported the possibility of negative interest rates. Apart from a broad-based USD weakness, possibilities of some short-term trading stops being triggered above the previous swing highs, near the 1.3285 region, further collaborated to the pair's strong bid tone. The momentum extended through the early part of the Asian session on Monday and pushed the pair to fresh YTD tops. The better-than-expected China manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMI numbers for August provided an additional boost to the already stronger global risk sentiment. The risk-on mood further undermined the greenback's relative safe haven status against its British counterpart. The pair shot to the 1.3370 region, albeit lacked any strong follow-through. The UK market will remain closed on Monday in observance of the summer bank holiday. Hence, the USD price dynamics might continue to act as an exclusive driver of the pair's momentum amid absent relevant market-moving economic releases from the US. Moving ahead, market participants will eye this week's important macro data, scheduled at the beginning of a new month, including the closely watched U.S. monthly jobs report (NFP) on Friday, which should provide some meaningful impetus and assist traders investors to determine the near-term trajectory for the major. Short-term technical outlook. From a technical perspective, the pair last week's broke through a multi-year descending trend line resistance extending from June 2015 and seems poised to appreciate further. With technical indicators on the daily chart still far from being in the extremely overbought territory, some follow-through buying should pave the way for a move towards the 1.3400 round figure mark. Bulls might then aim to reclaim the key 1.3500 psychological mark en route December 2019 swing highs, around the 1.3515 region. On the flip side, the previous strong resistance breakpoint, around the 1.3285 region, now seems to protect the immediate downside. Any subsequent fall might still be seen as a buying opportunity and remain limited near the 1.3200 round figure mark. That said, a convincing break below might prompt some technical selling and turn the pair vulnerable to weaken further, back towards the 1.3100 mark en route the 1.311510 support area. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.